he feels guilty because he drew everyone out here for the promise of the boat, but never happened. Also, that he's bit.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Oh. Wait. When does this happen in an episode?
This happened before it. He has, if you look at him, he has a huge scratch on his back.
Yeah,
Oh.
you can see. I saw it when I.
Oh, he's
when we
been
started
bit
the last
for a
game.
long time.
Yeah, before the first one started.
Oh.
So he's gone. So he might as well just go out.
The sacrifice. It's your funeral.
Even though Lewis is also a bit, but he's black and can't handle the responsibility.
No, he's just wounded.
Oh. Well, tell him to stop bitching.
So me and what's your face are the only people who actually consider like not get bit.
Yeah, like in the past when you meet these guys, Lewis is just like crippled, and then Lewis and there.
Train party.
You get it, bro. Bam.
Hazmat zombies. Listen to that noise.
I know. It's like
We're not even gonna try driving it on the ground.
We're not even gonna try.
No, not Francis. I don't think you know how things work.
Cricket bat. Give me that cricket bat.
Pocket that.
Did someone say my name?
No, Francis.
No,
Not-
the other Francis.
Who's the other
Yeah, take that.
Francis?
Not the dead Francis.
Fuck
Guys.
that dude, he's old.
But he's a hero.
He hates everything.
I hate men. I hate women. I hate
hate
everything.
I hate him. I hate
Heads up! Reloading!
I hate airports.
I hate valve puzzles.
I hate zombies. No, that one was pretty obvious.
I hate Gabe. How dare Gabe make me look better on PC than in fucking whatever this is.
I hate Gabe.
He gave me Gabe gave me a sequel for the PC edition only.
Smoker. What?
It's right here. It's tonguing me. In inappropriate fashion.
I put
Keep on going!
I would have been dead on expert, dude.
No, you can't prove. I don't even want to try expert.
Yeah, you
I don't want to try it.
be dead.
It's an X! I'm home again.
Heads up!
Expert is really fun, but it's so hard.
Like my dick.
Yeah.
Weapons over here.
Guys, I found automatic shotgun.
This is why the harvest
Sniper over here.
Not on that shot already.
I want it.
It's semi, sorry.
I already
No,
had this.
There's no automatic, but you know.
Well,
When
it's not
you
as
say
cool.
automatic, you just assume these.
It's not as cool as spaz though. Oh!
Suddenly, boomer.
Oh, God.
Suddenly a wild boomer appeared. Nate, they want you.
I'm
Ooh.
Behind you.
No, when one person's boomed, they won't attack the people who's not boomed, Dylan.
Yeah.
So don't be afraid to just like tank them.
But I like tank.
Oh,
Oh god! And then suddenly wild charger appeared.
This should
What's up with? We're having bad luck with going around the corner, aren't we?
Wait, guys, we said we wanted a boat, right?
Thanks.
There's a one right here.
Yeah, but that boat's not cool enough for Bill.
There's a boat right here.
Bill, you stubborn dick! There's a boat right there.
They're not cool enough, dude.
Dude,
Bill's an idiot.
there's like a shit ton of
You're an
boats here.
idiot. You know, if you want to go to my own island, I want to go there in class.
Got a weapon here.
How much cooler could have your boat been?
Awesome.
Weapons over here.
Wait, does Bill have his own boat and he thought it would be? It would be.
I
here?
don't.
Behind you.
It's like broken. I think that's what we're doing right now. We're going to go find the boat, and then we realize it's broken.
Well, there's like a million boats.
Yeah, but it's not
We got
Bill's boat.
blue mile below me.
There's like 3 boomer vials on them.
Oh yeah, the heads is dropping a lot, but oh yes, we got a whore.
Watch out.
Again, I love how that's a thing.
We got a whore.
I found an
You
AK.
gotta put her down. Hey, look, a tank's in there. Get your guns ready.
Reloading.
Loading.
Who's gonna be brave enough to open that?
I'll do it.
I'll do it.
I'm ballsy.
I'll do it.
I'm Francis. I hate
There is a
train
tank in
doors.
here. Tank in a train.
I hate doors.
I hate. Oh, hello. I hate surprises. Where'd it go? I think it glitched
I'm
under
gonna throw a
the
pipe
map.
bomb because that's the comment off us.
Oh.
Oh, hi,
Oh yeah,
Lewis.
it's a mini tank.
Charger.
Guys, I hate dying.
I hate dying.
Man, they are cursed.
I hate dying.
I'm hating dog.
Oh God.
Opening doors.
Oh God.
My hatred for doors is only grown
Pipe bomb or a boomer mile.
Oh no. Oh.
Talk to boomer mile.
A boomer exploded on me, man.
Oh crap.
And there are a lot of zombies.
It's cause I opened the door, man.
Dang it! Dang it! Dang it! No!
Oh, hi, boomer. Get outplayed.
Dylan!
Help them.
Dylan and Lewis are dead.
Oh my god, everyone is dying.
I don't have a health
Oh,
pack.
I'm-
What happened to
Machine
it?
worse.
I'm pretty much still in the green.
I'm gonna heal myself.
'Cause I was never boomed on.
Let's see. I opened the door, got knocked back, got boomed on like 3 times.
Weapon over here.
And you got 4
Please don't be a second boomer. Please don't be a second boomer.
tank.
I mean, like a 4th boomer, man.
Don't worry, guys. There's only 8 more of these in the whole
Weapons
campaign.
Oh, cool. I found a spaz.
Spires.
A spaz.
Question: why do we need artillery guns to fight the apocalypse?
Why don't we need artillery guns? You gotta kill them with class.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, like Phil's idea of having a
Or
boat.
Charlie guys with so much class. Oh, Charger.
Alright,
Oh, he
hey,
missed.
you're just jealous that you don't have a boat like Bill.
Charger.
Oh, dang it, jockey!
Saved your life.
They love me.
Well, you are the only female.
Shut up. They like humping my head.
Yeah, dude, they're gonna fuck you in the mouth.
Reloading.
What do we got here?
Yeah, I'm
so-
dying soon, so before I go,
I'll heal you when you're black and white.
I am black and white.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm about to die in 3.
You realize you stop at 1 life, right?
Do you?
Yeah. Stop at 1 health.
Find you some first aid, because if you go down like this again, that's it for you.
I don't think.
Did you hear my character monologue at you?
Yeah, and did you hear me say shut the fuck up, bitch?
I talked about
Weapon
health
over
issues.
here.
Well, I'm sorry that I'm a heavy smoker, but it's the end of the world. I'm pretty sure what I do doesn't matter.
You might need these.
Isn't Bill? Bill's the heavy smoker.
Yeah, you're the drinker.
Can I
what
be
you guys
both?
doing back there?
Can I have the best of both worlds?
Oh God!
Oh, jockey, bird, why'd
Oh,
you
why
leave?
you all alone, bro?
Because you ditched me, you dick.
I'm all
I
alone.
want you to help the other two.
Guys, we got a boomer vial.
God damn
I
it.
just will help.
Gotta save Lewis.
Should I waste my health pack on Lewis? Nah.
Yeah, you should, but you
No.
Behind this door.
got a boomer bottle right here, guys.
Boomer butt.
Someone should snag that.
Wait up, this will only
I'll
take
do
a
it.
second.
I'm a good person.
Because I mean, if the less health packs we have, the easier the game will go on us.
Oh.
Molotov.
Another
I
Molotov.
probably should have given it to Dylan.
Cool.
I'd rather have a
It's fine.
boomer vial.
Lewis was black
fine.
and white. Dylan's not.
I'm fine. I'm living. I hate living, by the way. Why am I even here? I just hate everything. You think I'd want to die?
Okay, I can't shoot that door open because it's metal and cool.
We can't just take multiple shots.
I hear jockeys. It scares me.
True.
And a charger.
Hey, Lewis. I think Lewis found the charger.
Watch your ass!
Save bird! Save bird! Damn, I had cheeky aim.
I just shot Bird in the butt like 6 times before I actually got him.
That's American kids.
I'm gonna attack. Everyone get in. Everyone get in. Get in. Get in. Get in. Get in. The fuck in, dog.
I don't want to get in. I hate getting in.
Why did Dylan sacrifice himself?
He's Bill.
Black people.
No, that's the reason why Lewis won't sacrifice himself.